Ohio's property tax system is under pressure like never before. Some people are calling for the complete elimination of property taxes. Some people want to continue as they are, and some people want to cap the tax provided you meet the requirements. See my video from a couple weeks ago where I talk about that. But before we make any drastic change, we need to look at what really is at stake for our schools, our safety, and our daily lives as homeowners. Let's take a look at the tax loss versus a potential offset. Let's start with the schools. That's where most of our tax money goes. This chart shows the estimated loss if property taxes disappeared compared with what could be replaced by a local 1% sales tax. In Columbus, schools would lose about $220 million a year, but even with a new sales tax, they'd still fall short by roughly $40 million. Districts like Dublin, Hilliard, and Reynoldsburg all face similar shortfalls. Millions. They depend on to pay teachers, run buses, and keep the buildings safe, clean, and open. Even fast-growing areas like Olentangy and Pickerington, place where demand is high, would still come up short if voters didn't approve a local sales tax. Let's talk a little bit about the urban versus the rural deficits. Let's break it down by district type. Urban and suburban districts might be able to recover some of the lost revenue through local taxes, but rural districts like Fairfield Union and Licking County don't have that same sales tax base. Their deficits are severe, and without property taxes, they may not be able to operate at all. I think that's a rather drastic view. I think they would be able to operate, but potentially no sports, no art, fewer teachers, fewer buses, and fewer opportunities for kids. Let's take a look at the public safety. So we know that most of our tax dollars go towards the schools, but it's not just for schools. Property taxes fund police departments, firefighters, EMS, road maintenance, libraries, and more. If we eliminate this funding source, cities will have to find alternatives or cut back, right? In rural areas where services are already stretched thin, this could mean longer 911 response times, slower snow removal, and even deteriorating roads. So, what does this mean for you, the Ohio homeowner with an average tax bill of about $4,500 property tax? Sure, you might save $4,500 a year, but unless a new funding system is put in place, that money could be taken out of your community's core services. And if sales taxes rise, or if, levies return in a different manner or form, you could end up paying just as much, maybe more, with less transparency and even more instability. And I don't know anybody that wants that. In this video, we've explored why keeping Ohio's property tax system matters, but it's just one side of the story. In my next video, I'll flip the script and take a closer look at the benefits of eliminating property taxes altogether. From putting thousands of dollars back into the homeowners' pockets or rethinking how we fund local services, we'll explore how a tax-free future could reshape the life of Ohioans. So if you've ever wondered what a world without property taxes might look like, I sure do. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. If you like this video, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. Share it with a friend who may be like you, one who is concerned about their property taxes, and what can be done to get them under control. And subscribe by hitting the subscribe button so that you'll be alerted of more updates. I'm Brian Comer, and I'll see you in the next video.